Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Analyze structure A. Structure A shows a cyclohexane ring where C1 has 2 chlorine atoms, gendichloro, and C2 has 1 bromine atom. This corresponds to 2-bromo, 1,1 dichlorocyclohexane, which is option Q. So AQ. Moving on to the next step. Analyze structure B. Structure B shows a cyclohexane ring with a butyl chain, 4-carbon chain, on one carbon and a methyl group on another carbon. The substituents appear to be at C1 and C4 positions, para to each other. This corresponds to 1-butyl-4-methyl cyclohexane, which is option P. So BP. Moving on to the next step. Analyze structure C. Structure C shows a cyclohexane ring where C1 has ACO8, ethyl ester group and C2 has IChO, aldehyde formyl group. The IUPAC name would be ethyl 2-formyl-cyclohexane 1-carboxylate, commonly called ethyl 2-formyl-cyclohexane carboxylate, which is option S. So CS. And for the final step. Analyze structure D. Structure D shows a cyclohexane ring where C1 bears 1 Br and 2 Cl atoms, i.e. 1 bromo 1,1 dichloro pattern. Weight. Re-examining, the structure shows Br and Cl on C1 and another Cl on C2, adjacent carbon. This corresponds to 1 bromo 1,2 dichlorocyclohexane, C1 has Br and 1 Cl, C2 has 1 Cl. This matches option R. So DR verification. A. Gendichloro at C1 plus Br at C2 is equal to 2 bromo 1,1 dichlorocyclohexane is equal to Q. B. Butyl at C1 plus methyl at C4 is equal to 1 butyl 4-methylcyclohexane is equal to P. C. CO8 at C1 plus ChO at C2 is equal to ethyl 2-formyl-cyclohexane carboxylate is equal to S. D. Br and Cl at C1 plus Cl at C2 is equal to 1 bromo 1,2 dichlorocyclohexane is equal to R. Therefore, the correct answer is A, Q, B, P, C, S, D, R. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches Q, B matches P, C matches S, D matches R.